A medicated drink that works for coughs and colds. Boost your immunity with a drink that contains medicinal ingredients. Of course, it is also effective in preventing colds and relieving symptoms. The body's immunity weakens at the turn of the season and during the season when the temperature changes easily. Therefore, use natural materials to increase your body's resistance. Today I would like to introduce a medicinal drink that works well for coughs and colds. Build a strong body that can withstand colds with coconut milk, turmeric, chili, and honey, which are good ingredients for medicated drinks. Medicinal drink using 4 ingredients. Turmeric. Turmeric is often used in cooking because of its distinctive color, but it also contains a number of medicinal ingredients. It stimulates the immune system and increases the body's resistance. It contains a lot of antioxidant particles and suppresses damage caused by free radicals. It is a natural remedy that contains analgesic ingredients and anti-inflammatory subdivisions, suppresses all kinds of pain, and relieves physical disorders. It regulates the work of the digestive system and suppresses stomach acid, gas, and abdominal distension. It helps the liver work and purifies the blood. It improves the work of the brain and enhances memory and concentration. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is a great alternative to milk in its taste, texture, and nutritional value. Dairy products also promote the formation of mucus such as the runny nose and delay the cure of colds, while coconut milk is an effective drink for symptoms such as cold, cough, and runny nose. Coconut milk, which can be prepared at home, is a very good source of energy and is rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, it enhances the function of the immune system and makes the body resistant to all viruses and bacteria. Coconut is also effective in recovering from fatigue and weakness. Chili. Many people think that spices are just seasonings. However, there are many health benefits to chili peppers. Contains antibacterial ingredients. Reduces mucus such as the runny nose. Increases the resistance of the body. Warm the body. It boosts metabolism and helps you lose weight. Promotes the production of gastric fluid. Improves blood circulation. Rich in antioxidants. Lowers blood pressure and arteries. Honey. Honey is one of the best natural sugars alongside stevia, agave syrup, and sugar cane. White sugar and high sugar foods, cookies, ice cream, biscuits, etc., should be avoided on a regular basis. After all, these sugars have no benefit and weaken the immune system. However, honey contains antiseptic and antibacterial ingredients and acts as a natural antibiotic. Rich in vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and enzymes, it is a very good nutritional supplement. When choosing, choose pure, organic, untreated, medicinal ingredients that are not broken. How to make a medicated drink. Material: 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 10 grams, 1 coconut fruit, if not, use coconut milk instead, a little pepper powder, if you like, 3 tablespoons of honey, 75 grams, 4 cups of water, 1 liter. Please adjust the amount of chili pepper to your liking. It's a good idea to add a little first and add as you like. How to make. First, take out the coconut water. One of the 3 holes is easy to open, you can drink this coconut water at any time. Then open the coconut with a hammer and remove the pulp. The flesh taken out is crushed into small pieces. Put water and crushed pulp in a blender and mix until smooth. After mixing, strain with a cloth and divide the pulp into milk. Heat the finished milk and add turmeric and pepper. Just before boiling, turn off the heat and add honey. How to drink. Take this medicated drink little by little while it is still warm. Perfect for the morning. I remember that it is more effective to drink on an empty stomach before breakfast. For prevention, you should continue to drink for 7 days. If you have a cold or cough, continue to take it until the symptoms are alleviated.